and the way people might, for example, apprehend your creation, taking into account all the different people and their cultures.
Okay.
What do you think it is?
Touching a little bit on Mark's presentation as well.
This is it.
Perfect, perfect. All right, this table right here, what are we thinking about critical creativity? Can we please respect?
Both in the classroom and in situations where you really help maybe like bridging the gap, if, like you were saying about if you might be in a low-tech classroom at the moment and you need help, I guess working with that to make sure you can still be accessible to your students and to be able to do the kind of teaching you want to do. So when you're in classroom situations in which you might need to think creatively to, I guess, when you're working with things that aren't just given, is what we talked a lot about, when the answer or solution or whatever the resource might be isn't just easily handed to you.
Okay.
The way to resolve that is to use critical creativity. Yeah, I guess to just think outside the box in terms of solutions, resolutions, things like that, when it's not just given very easily.
Right, perfect. Thank you so much for sharing.
Integrating creativity and critical thinking to achieve deep understanding, achieve some skills.
Perfect, thank you. Thanks so much. This group right here, what are we thinking
About the nail polish, we try to design many activities around this. So we do the same, okay, in our classes. For example, if you don't have, you are in a class where there is no internet, there is no computer, you try to see the resources you can have in order to adapt your situation to the needs of your learners in order to achieve your goals. So this is what we thought of as far as critical creativity is concerned.
Thank you for sharing.
You're
Our
welcome.
last group here, what are we thinking about critical creativity?
I talked about how students are able to learn for themselves rather than teaching at students, teach with the students. They're able to make the decisions and ideas themselves. And then with the creativity itself, you can have so many different techniques and styles of learning the same thing because everyone has different views on how they learn. So it's a lot more effective when they can make that own decision for themselves of how they're learning that.
Giving them a bit of autonomy. Perfect. Did I miss a table?
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
We think is this the kind of approach that we can use to deliver a message. Okay, not to only stick on the curriculum, maybe the way to show this, their creativity, to give them the opportunity to create something, to use material that they have for them, how to express themselves. It can be a kind of communicative method also.
All right. Thank you so much for sharing.